Take your lighting to the next level with the Colo Play Ultimate Fusion set, featuring beloved COLOLIGHT products. Welcome to Enoylity Technology, your go-to destination for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay in the know. This is COLOLIGHT Hexagon Rhythm Kit and the Colo Play Desktop Control. The Colo Play Desktop Control, your lighting command center. Inside the box, we get some really cool stickers, our desktop controller, and a connecting USB-C cable. Imagine having complete control over your lighting setup with a simple and elegant desktop device. That's precisely what the Colo Play Desktop Control offers. This compact control center is designed to streamline your experience with COLOLIGHT Hexagon and other COLOLIGHT products. With the Colo Play Desktop Control, managing your COLOLIGHT Hexagon 9 pieces becomes a breeze. You can effortlessly adjust the colors, brightness, and lighting effects, all from one central location. Everything is at your fingertips. The Colo Play Desktop Control features a user-friendly interface that anyone can master. Its responsive touch controls make it easy to customize your lighting to suit any occasion. This control center isn't limited to just the COLOLIGHT Hexagon 9 PCS. It's designed to work seamlessly with various COLOLIGHT products, giving you the flexibility to expand your lighting setup and create intricate designs that suit your style.
The Colo Play Desktop is just amazing. You can turn your PC on, control your COLOLIGHTs with it, also can lay this vintage game on it, and configure some keyboard shortcuts so you can directly use it using your COLOLIGHT desktop.
COLOLIGHT Hexagon 9 PCS, modular lighting magic. Now, let's talk about the COLOLIGHT Hexagon 9 PCS, a set of modular hexagonal light panels that can transform any space into a mesmerizing work of art. Inside the box, you get a user manual, 9 hexagon lights, 1 base, 1 controller, 8 fixators, and 9 connectors. Here's why they're the perfect complement to the Colo Play Desktop Control. The COLOLIGHT Hexagon 9 pieces offers endless possibilities for creative lighting designs. Arrange them in any pattern or shape you desire, and watch as your space comes to life with vibrant colors and dynamic lighting effects. Setting up the COLOLIGHT Hexagon 9 piece is a breeze. Their magnetic design allows for quick and hassle-free installation. Plus, with the Colo Play Desktop Control, you can fine-tune each panel's settings effortlessly. These hexagonal panels aren't just about static lighting. They come with a range of dynamic effects, from soothing gradients to pulsating party modes. With the Colo Play Desktop Control, you can switch between these effects seamlessly, creating the perfect atmosphere for any occasion, bringing it all together. When you combine the Colo Play Desktop Control with the COLOLIGHT Hexagon 9 piece, you're unlocking a world of creative lighting possibilities. Whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance to your living room, spruce up your home office, or create an immersive gaming experience, these two products work in harmony to elevate your lighting game. In a world where lighting is more than just illumination, the Colo Play Desktop Control and COLOLIGHT Hexagon 9 piece are your partners in crafting the perfect lighting masterpiece. This was all about the Colo Play Fusion set. I hope you liked this video. If so, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comments down below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.